Physics Circuit Series!
Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Ultimate Physics Circuit Series. I'm your host, George Washington, and let's introduce our first contestant, Sage.
Thank you for having me.
Over to you, commentators.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, ladies and or gentlemen. We are your commentators. I am Pop the SWAT Cop, and this is my co-commentator, The Face.
We will be here to explain Sage's trials in the series circuit course.
There are 4 trials. One is the spinning wheel of death. The second is the crossbar challenge. The third is a basketball challenge. And the last trial is the elevator. Will he make it to the end? You have to wait to find out.
Welcome to the first challenge, the merry-go-round. Sage must complete one full rotation as fast as possible before running to the next challenge.
We see Sage approaching the spinning wheel of death.
The equation for rotation inertia is I equals mr squared. Since the mass is constant, rotational inertia is proportionate to the radius from the center squared. So when the mass moves towards the center, the rotational inertia drops. With the decrease in inertia, the system is easier to move because the distribution of mass on the disk is less.
Sage has almost completed the spinning wheel of death. Rotational inertia has caused Sage to get dizzy. Up, and he's going down.
Oh, Sage is back up and he's on the move.
And now for the second challenge. Sage has to kick the soccer ball into the field post to demonstrate an elastic collision.
In order to move the ball from rest, Sage's foot collides with the ball, transferring kinetic energy from his foot to the ball. A crossbar is a stationary object, and when the ball comes up and hits the bar, it's then redirected at the angle in which it hit the crossbar itself. This is an example of an elastic collision and showing how momentum is preserved. The magnitude of the momentum is maintained, although its direction is reversed.
Ooh, and that first one went too high. And the second one went all the way to the side. Can he hit this last one? Ooh, and he hits it! A perfect elastic collision.
Finally!
And now for our third challenge, the basketball challenge. Sage has to get the perfect trajectory to get the basketball into the hoop.
Ooh, that was too high. That one was way too far to the side. Can he make this last one in? Yes, the perfect trajectory.
Woo!
Physics. And now for the last challenge, he has to achieve the key. We see him entering the elevator now.
Look at the upward force being exerted on Sage right now. He was really feeling greater normal force at this moment.
As the elevator starts to accelerate upwards, Sage's mass is begrudgingly moved from rest. Because Sage's mass wants to stay at rest, it takes not only the normal force of gravity to keep Sage in place, but also an extra force to counteract the new acceleration of the elevator. The same happens to Sage on his way down, but in reverse. As the elevator goes into a controlled fall, it requires less normal force to keep Sage in place and counteract gravity.
achieves the key.
Man, he's going back down in the elevator? He must really feel weightless at this moment.
Congratulations to Sage on getting the new record in the Ultimate Physics Circuit Series. I'm your host, George Washington, and I will never see you again because this is the last episode. Goodbye. Yeah, so we just lost funding, so I'm going to need your watch, and I'm going to need your backpack and all your clothes. So thank you. Come on. Alright, that's it.